Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be telling you about the copy planning function and its relationship with the filter, like what values you should put in the filter while using the copy planning function, and also what you know about the reference data in copy planning function. Like here in this example, I have a planning sequence, and here I have added a copy planning function, the first one. So here, if I go to this function, here you can see that the fields to be changed is the fiscal year, provider, and version. So like in these parameters, you can go and you can see that I have a from values and to values. So in the from, I have year and from where the data will be copied. And this to means where the data is a planning data. So where this data will be set. Now the important part is that what values should we put in the filter? We should put in the filter regarding this to where we are saving the data. So this variable information should be saved in the filter. If you go and see into the filter, and you can see that we have a fiscal year 2017 and provider and version B. So the values we have put in the to, and that variable must be in your filter. You could put the other providers, other years, other version, but it is important you must put these two values into the filter. And how this reference data is considering here, since you are not putting the from values in the filter, so that is not required in the case of copy planning function, because in the copy planning function, system automatically consider the reference data from your planning parameters. In the planning parameters, the variables or whatever values you have put, like year or provider or version A, so this is your reference data. So this one is not required to put in the filter, but this two parts should be in the filter. That's the way actually the reference data works in the copy planning function. So that's all about the tutorial. I wanted to share the information, the relationship with the filter and also the copy planning function. Thank you for watching, and please also look into the other tutorials. I have given the links in the below description. Thank you for watching.